Hello, to record sounds on the Redmi Note 14, first of all you have to go into the app drawer and take a look for the recorder application, and right here you simply go into this application, and to make a recording all you have to do is to press this red button right there. I give the recorder application access to record the audio, and while using the application allow. And yeah, as you can see, right now there is the sound recording, and you can pause a recording with this button right here to pause it. You can start again recording. You can continue recording, and right here you can mark important moment in your recording, and by pressing this check mark right here, you save your recording. And as you can see, here are the saved recordings. You press on the recording to have the peer review, and yeah, right, that's the recording. And here somewhere should be available right here in the 8 seconds there would be this important moment, I believe. Yeah, but never mind though. That's how to basically record sound on the Redmi Note 14. Thank you for watching.